Very good afternoon, dear children. Hope you all are well. Children, in our last EVS session, we had discussed about various body parts of a bird and had also done the activity based on it. Today, we will discuss different types of claws and feet in birds. Different types of birds have different type of claws and feet. Now you must be thinking what is meant by claws. So claws are the hard curved nails at the end of the feet of an animal. And as you all know that all birds have 2 feet and 4 toes, and they use their feet and toes for walking, hopping, catching, picking and holding food or prey. Different birds have different feet and arrangement of toes, and they are also identification mark for a bird. If we have learnt about if we have knowledge about the claws, then on the basis of claws we can or feet we can identify the type of bird. Now let's see how. First we will talk about perching birds. Perching birds are the birds that live on trees. They used to live on the branches of trees like crow, sparrow, manna, finches, etc. And these birds have feet to hold on the branch of a tree. So they have such type of feet which is suitable to hold the branch of a tree because they live on the branches of tree. And they have 3 toes in front and 1 at the beak. As you all know that all birds have 4 toes. So in perching birds, the arrangement of toes is 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. And their arrangement of toe is such that these birds can even sleep while they perch. Means they have very good gripping toes. They have strong feet, flexible toe and gripping toes. And some perching birds are like crow, sparrow and manna. In this picture you can clearly see the feet of a perching bird, that it is having 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. And the structure is such that to hold the branch of a tree very firmly even while sleeping. And also observe the claws of such birds. You can see that they are having long slender claws. These also help to grip the branch.